To replace an individual parker's credential, first navigate to the Parkers menu. Next, search for the Parkers record that you wish to work with. You'll then click the account link. Next, select the location you wish to work with from the Active Locations menu. Then click on the Credentials tab. Next, click Replace Credential. The Confirm Credential Replacement screen will open. First, select the updated status for the old credential. Then select a new credential number to assign to the Parker. Then choose the charged category. If you won't be charging the account for the replacement, you can leave this and the next two fields blank. Next, enter the charge amount. Then select the charge date. Lastly, select the delivery method you will use to provide the credential to the Parker. Then click OK once complete. This will return you to the location screen, and the new credential number will be displayed. Next, you can either invoice the Parker for this charge right away, following the one-off invoicing steps, or leave this charge in a pending status. If you leave the charge in a pending status, it will automatically be added to the next recurring monthly invoice for the account.